Good morning, students. Now today let us discuss accountancy number 154 paper of your 12th standard examination May 2021. Let us see how to get 100 on 100. For that we need to be very precise and we have to have a proper planning. The first is time planning for 3 hours. As you know, all your entire 1 year efforts put into the 180 minutes and you have to score maximum. Section A, 15 minutes you can give as you have to answer 15 questions MCQ. Section B, 15 minutes, 15 answer you have to give one liner. Section C, you have to write any 4 out of 6. 5 minutes you can afford, so 20 minutes. Section D, 3 you have to answer out of 5. 9 minutes you can give to each, so 27 minutes. Section E, 3 you have to opt out of 5. 16 minutes you can give, 48 minutes. And section F, you have no option. Whatever is given to be answered, 25 minutes you can afford to give, 50 minutes for that. Now you have 5 minutes remain extra. That is to check the paper, put the sticker, arrange the extra supplements, etc. So like this you see altogether 180 minutes you have utilized and your paper come to an end. The few general important points to be kept in mind while writing the paper. In the first 15 minutes reading time is given to you. Always select the best from available option. From section E and F, decide that how many accounts you need to prepare so that mentally you are ready for that. Do the goodwill point journal entries in your mind at that time. So when you do the section E question, quickly you can do the ledger posting of that goodwill point. Next is you start with any section, but all the question of each section must be done in order. Chronological order is very important to be maintained. Please maintain the sequence and the numbers. Draw the proper pro forma. As you know, every subject has its own peculiar requirement. Account has its requirement that pro forma, proper heading, debit, credit, total. Total always written one line above, two below line to make it final total. Amount below that rupee to be mentioned precisely. All these are the requirement of account. So you have to be careful regarding these matters. When you answer section A, write alphabet along with the answer word. Section B, write the keywords in 2 to 3 lines as your answer. Section E, try to accommodate on both the side of supplement page. You take the supplement and arrange in such a manner that each section you are doing on both the side, so that turning of the page is not required frequently. Use simple calculator, scale and pencil so that your point may not get disturbed. Write the narration in short if asked, mainly in the question of your share capital or admission, sometime retirement. If it is asked, you have to write. Always draw the line in particular column after narration without fail. This is a very silly mistake normally students used to do. Do not take more time if your balance sheet total does not equal. Leave it and go to the next question. Don't get disturbed in such situation. Whatever you have done correct, you will get marks accordingly. So many times we observe that students are taking more and more time in the same question and then they realize that, oh my God, this much is left. Every new section on a new page you have to write with a good handwriting which are easily legible. No overwriting. In account, you have to be very careful. No overwriting, no cancellation of figures, and take care of zeros. You know very well in errors and rectification you have learned in class 11. Zero make lot of difference. Write question number properly in margin. Students are not writing. We face the difficulty at time of correction. Follow the proper time management. That is the basic requirement. Always wear a wristwatch during the examination time to keep a control over your time. As soon as you take extra supplement, put the proper number to each new one, like that 1, 2, 3. So easy for you to arrange in order at last. Till the day of examination, every day, one example of section E or F you have to do. In the same manner, one question of C or D section you have to do for practice, speed, performance as well as for accuracy. So like this you have to prepare. Most importantly, go through each illustration of your textbook because this is going to help you a lot. Like, subscribe the channel to get the update till the examination for more important tips as well as examples. If you have any problem, write in the comment section and get your difficulties solved. Account is a subject to understand and not to mug up. So keep smiling, relax, be with us and enjoy accounting, enjoy learning. All the best, keep smiling. Thank you.